If you want to control how tasks move through different stages, creating a workflow in Jira is essential. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to create a workflow in Jira step by step, even if you have zero experience. A workflow defines the life cycle of an issue, from creation to completion, and helps standardize your process. To get started, log into your Jira account and go to the Settings or Jira Administration panel. From there, look for Issues and then select Workflows. This is where all workflows are managed. Next, click on Add Workflow or Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name based on your process. After that, you will enter the Workflow Designer, where you can visually create and edit stages. Start by adding statuses. Common statuses include To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. These represent different stages of your workflow. You can add new statuses or use existing ones depending on your needs. After adding statuses, create transitions between them. Transitions define how an issue moves from one status to another. For example, a task can move from To Do to In Progress and then to Done. Connect the statuses using transitions to form a complete flow. You can also add conditions, validators, and post functions to your transitions. Conditions control who can perform an action, validators ensure required fields are filled, and post functions automate actions like updating fields or sending notifications. Once your workflow design is complete, click Publish to make it active. After publishing, you need to associate the workflow with a project through a workflow scheme. This step ensures your project uses the new workflow. After applying the workflow, test it by creating an issue and moving it through different stages. This helps confirm that everything works as expected. In short, creating a workflow in Jira involves defining statuses, setting transitions, adding rules, publishing the workflow, and applying it to a project. Now that you understand the process, try creating your own workflow and customize Jira to match your team's process. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.